Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is x raised to power x plus y equals y raised to power 40 and y raised to power x plus y equals x raised to power 10. You have to find the value of x and y. So first of all, we will solve this as, consider a y raised to power x plus y equals x raised to power 10. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose, take power 1 by 10 on both sides. So by taking power 1 by 10 on both sides, we will get y raised to power x plus y divided by 10 and x raised to power 10 by 10. It means that we will get the value of y raised to power x plus y divided by 10 equals x. So this is the equation 1. Now we will again consider x raised to power x plus y, that equals y raised to power 40. Now in the next step, we will write this as x plus y and its power is, we will substitute the value of x in place of this. So x equals y raised to power x plus y divided by 10. In place of x, we will substitute the value of x. So that equals multiplied x plus y and that equals y raised to power 40. Now in the next step, we will write, when the bases are same y and y, we will equate the power, that x plus y whole square divided by 10 equals y raised to power 40. Now x plus y whole square equals 10 multiply 40 is 400. Now we will take the square root on both sides. So we get equals x plus y equals plus minus 20. So only the positive rule will be considered because both x and y are positive. That's why x plus y equals 20. So this is the equation 2. Now after finding x plus y equals 20, we will substitute the value of x plus y equals 20 in equation 1. So we get y raised to power, in place of x plus y, we will write 20 by 10 equals x. So this will be y square equals x. Now after this, we will substitute this value. We will write this equation here, that x plus y equals 20 and the other one is x equals y square. So we will consider this as, we have equation x plus y equals 20, but the value of x is equals y square. So we will substitute in place of this equals y square plus y equals 20. Now we will apply the quadratic formula on this. So y square plus y minus 20 equals 0. So y equals minus b means minus 1, plus minus b square means 1 minus 4ac, that will be plus because 20 is plus, so divided by 2. It means we will consider only the root, that is 80 plus 1 will be 81. So 81 is the root of 9. So minus 1 plus minus 9 by 2. So only the positive root of this will be considered. So we will write this here, that y equals minus 1 plus 9 divided by 2 and the other one is y equals minus 1 minus 9 divided by 2. It's mean we get 8 by 2, y is 4. And for the other one, y equals minus 10 by 2 means y equals minus 5. So this will be rejected. We will consider only y equals 4. So x equals y square. It's mean x equals y square mean 4 square. So x equals 16. It's mean we get the value of x and y. X is 16 and the y is 4. So this is the final answer. We can do the verification of this. We will write the answer here that x is 16 and the y is 4. Now we will do the verification. For this purpose, we will substitute the value in the original equation, that is x raised to power x plus y equals y raised to power 40. X is 16. So 16 power 16 plus 4, that is 16 power 20. And the y is 4 power 40. So 16 can be write as 4 square. So it's mean this will equals 4 power 40. So left hand side equals right hand side. Similarly, when we substitute this here, so 4 power 4 plus 16 equals x is 16 power 10. So we can write this as 4 power 20 equals 16 power 10. 4 can be write as 4 square into 10, that is 16 power 10. It's mean our solution is correct. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.